In today's video, I will show you how to exactly solve this monetization problem. Here you can see step 2 error, set up Google AdSense account, and showing below your associate AdSense account was disapproved. This may be due to an existing account. Your recent email from AdSense noreply.com has more details, and showing below fix in AdSense and sense association option. If your channel is showing this same monetization problem, then today's video is for you. But first of all, I wanna introduce myself. I have one more big YouTube channel. Here you can see the name Tanmoy Roy, and it has more than 38k subscriber. The person who let me fix his YouTube channel found me through this big channel. So if you also want to have such monetization problem but you are not able to fix it even after repetitive attempts, then you can easily contact with us. Our WhatsApp number will be given in the description box of the video. Now come to the main point, how you can able to fix this problem. Here you can see the two options below, fix in AdSense and sense association. So first of all, you just need to click on this sense association button, and here you will see the option verify it's you, and looking down below see the option proceed. You just need to click on this option proceed. After clicking proceed, you need to confirm your YouTube email address giving the password here. So I just need to type my password. Then click on this next button. After clicking next, you will get an option like this, and here you just need to confirm your mobile phone. You can see here your mobile device will shown in here. You just need to confirm your mobile phone. Yes, it's me, and then click the number shown. You just need to tap your mobile phone the same number. So here is shown 30. I just need to click on 30. After clicking 30, automatically it redirects to your YouTube channel. And here you will see an interface like this. Do you have any existing AdSense account? So first of all, you just need to click on this, and you will get three options. Yes, I have an existing account, and no, I don't have an existing account, and I don't know. From here, you basically have to solve the problem. Okay. And there are two rules basically to solve this problem. You can see here, yes, I have an existing account and I don't have an existing account. I want to tell you one thing, that if you have any active AdSense account, then click on this option, yes, I have an existing account. And if you don't have any active AdSense account, then click no, I don't have an existing account. Click on this and click the continue button. After clicking continue, you will see the interface like this. You just need to click on the use another account. After clicking this, you will get an interface like this. Here you just need to create a Gmail account with new number or fresh number that you have not used any AdSense account. After opening a new Gmail account, you have to create a new AdSense account with that Gmail with someone information that you never used before. But I don't want to use this process, guys, because it takes more times for approval and fix this problem also. For this reason, I have one more trick to fix this problem instantly. So first of all, you just need to click on this, and here you will see the same options. Yes, I have an existing account. No, I don't have an existing account. First of all, you just need to click on this. Yes, I have an existing account. I will solve this problem with an active AdSense account. But the problem is for you, where you will get the active AdSense. After watching this video, you will easily learn how you can get an active AdSense account for you. So after clicking this, or after selecting this, click on this button continue. After clicking continue, I just need to log in here my active AdSense account Gmail. For this reason, I need to click use another account. I will log in here active AdSense account Gmail. I have already told you that where you will get active AdSense account Gmail. After watching this video, you will easily get it. Okay. So here you can see I'm trying to log in my active AdSense account Gmail. And I just need to give the password here. After providing password, we just need to click on this next button. Successfully log in your Gmail account. You just need to tap on it. After tap on, you will see every options of your AdSense account. You can see here, you can see every options of your AdSense account, and click on just continue button. After clicking continue, you will see the interface. Let's get you started. Let's get you started, and your channel link provide will be here. You just need to click on this setup button. After clicking setup button, it's automatically redirect to your YouTube channel. After redirecting, it will automatically done. See in here, we just need to wait 1 or 2 minutes only. Now you can see here step 2 is done in just 1 minute. Okay, this is the solution of this problem. Now I wanna tell you that if you need any active AdSense account or any approval AdSense account for your YouTube channel, then you just need to contact with me with our WhatsApp number. And this is possible only through approval AdSense. Okay, now coming to the topic, if you want an active AdSense account for your YouTube channel from any country and anywhere, then you can contact us on the WhatsApp number given in the video description. Okay, we provide approval AdSense for any country. After contacting, you will get one easily and your problem will be solved as soon as possible. So this is the video for today. See you again. Tata.